Welcome to our video on writing a perfect narrative essay. Whether you're a student or just someone who wants to improve your writing skills, this guide will walk you through the steps to crafting a compelling and memorable story. A narrative essay is a type of writing that tells a story. It can be a personal account of a significant experience, an imaginative work of fiction, or a combination of both. The key to writing a great narrative essay is to engage the reader and make them feel as if they are a part of the story. To write a compelling narrative essay, our team of experts have created a 6-step process for you. Follow these steps and create a perfect essay to impress your professor. The first step to writing a narrative essay is to choose a topic. This can be a personal experience, a childhood memory, a story about someone you admire, or any other subject that is meaningful to you. When choosing a topic, consider what makes a good story and what elements you can include to make your essay interesting and engaging. Next, create an outline for your essay. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your essay has a clear structure. Start by writing a thesis statement, which should be a brief statement of what your essay is about. Then, create an introduction, body paragraphs, and conclusion. When writing your narrative essay, be sure to use descriptive language to bring your story to life. Use vivid details and sensory descriptions to help the reader experience the story as if they were there. Also, use dialogue to help create a more dynamic and engaging story. Remember, the goal of a narrative essay is to show the reader what happened, not just tell them. So, instead of simply stating what happened, use vivid descriptions, sensory details, and dialogue to help the reader see and feel the story for themselves. Finally, write a compelling conclusion that ties together the threads of your story. This can be a reflection on what you learned from the experience, a lesson you want the reader to take away, or simply a final thought that leaves a lasting impression. Writing a great narrative essay takes time and practice. So, don't be discouraged if your first draft isn't perfect. Keep writing, revising, and editing until you have a polished and engaging piece of writing that you're proud of. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to writing a perfect narrative essay. Remember to choose a meaningful topic, use descriptive language, and write a compelling conclusion. With practice, you'll be able to craft compelling stories that engage and inspire your readers.